We are Hilde and Denis from the Netherlands, and we are doing the 3-day Hagiang loop, and it's amazing. Every day you think like this is the most beautiful thing I've ever seen, but the next day you think again, like all the greenery, every turn you go it's different and it's fantastic, and I would absolutely recommend it to do when you're in Vietnam.
Yeah, I can only say the same as Hilde. Also with our guide Matthew, or you, it's been perfect. He's been guiding us through the most beautiful places to take pictures, and is taking also a lot of pictures. So yeah, it's been a lot of fun.
And he's the best guide.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you.